Ethiopia is home to more than 100 million people. This ancient nation lies in the Horn of Africa. They form one of the region's oldest civilizations. But why do they have such distinct features from their neighbors? Ethiopia was never colonized by Europeans. It was ruled by powerful kingdoms throughout history, and the country kept its independence for thousands of years. Now, this uniqueness is also seen in their ancestry. Most of their DNA comes from African populations. This includes both Nilotic people and hunter-gatherers. Yet another group arrived some 3,000 years ago. So what makes Ethiopian genetics so special? Ethiopians are around 40% Middle Eastern. This admixture dates back to ancient migrations. It peaks in some groups like the Amhara and Tigrayans.
ወንድሟ ተኳሽ ነው ከመከሙ